demonstrate to you how you can link your WhatsApp account to a laptop. To do that, enter the web address web.whatsapp.com into your web browser, web.whatsapp.com. So after successfully loading the website, you are going to see a barcode. Once this barcode has been successfully loaded, start your WhatsApp on the phone. Look at the top right hand corner. There are 3 dots that has been arranged vertically. Tap on that dot. It will show you a list. Locate the one with the label linked devices. Tap on that one. You will see a button with the label link a device. Tap on that button. It will automatically open your camera for you to scan the barcode. So just place your camera to capture the barcode. If your internet connection is not strong, it will take some time, so you need to wait patiently for it to load your messages for you. These are the charts. If you want to send someone a message and that person name is not part of the people you have chatted with, tap on this button, new chat. Then you search for the name of the person.